I am Selviana and we briefly expand the journal itinerary. Post-traumatic severe head injury complication into left cerebrospinal fluid (CSF), rhinorrhea, primordial skull base fracture, deviated nasal septum. In focus on the clinical manifestation, diagnostic procedures, management strategies, and post-operative outcome of the patient. Patient case summary. Patient 25-year-old male. Incident severe hand trauma due to a fall from a two-wheeler RTA. Symptoms was loss of consciousness, nose bleeding, nasal discharge, vomiting, severe diarrhea, and seizures within 5 days. Post-trauma. Initial findings: elevated total weight bone count, clear fluid leakage from the nose, indication CSF, rhinorrhea, CT cystogram revealed CSF leakage and the L3 and L4. Spinal level via lumbar puncture fractures at the base of the skull, particularly in the roof of the sphenoid sinus and sphenothymodial rectus. Pneumocephalus, presence of air in the cranial cavity, deviated nasal septum, observed during an examination. Diagnosis: post-traumatic TVS rhinorrhea due to skull base fracture. Pneumocephalus resulting from head trauma and air entry into the cranial space, deviated nasal septum, possible aggravated trauma. Management and surgical intervention. And functional endoscopic sinus surgery (FESS) and septoplasty were performed under general anesthesia to repair the CSF leak. The surgery involved correction of DNS, closure of the CSF fistula using endoscopic techniques. Post-surgical imaging showed successful repair with no further CSF leakage. For post-operative treatment and outcome, the patient was given a combination of antibiotic, anticonvulsant, antipyretic, and supportive care. Makrek forte, cefoperazone, and sulbactam to prevent infection. Amikacin, metronidazole, ondansetron for gastrointestinal support, levetiracetam for seizure control. Discussion: the report emphasizes that post-traumatic CSF rhinorrhea is a rare but serious condition that can result in life-threatening complications such as meningitis, brain infusion, chronic CSF leak, pneumocephalus. Air within the cranial cavity can occur and a direct result of skull fracture of surgery and must be identification prompted through CT and MRI imaging. Deviated nasal septum may exacerbate sinus complication of FH CSF draining neck. optimally diagnosis using CT, cysternography, and ALT sugary repel the crucial for patient survival and prevention of neurological sequelae consolation. In this case, it highlights the importance of early indication, accurate imaging, and broad surgical intervention in managing rare complications like GSV, rhinorrhea following the trauma. Multidisciplinary involvement neurology, ENT, radiology, and pharmacy is essential for optimal recovery. The successful outcome in this case underscores the effectiveness of endoscopic surgical repel and postoperative antibiotic therapy and treating traumatic GSV. Thank you.